Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making a quick backup because updates can fail. Once done, plug the HP into AC power and set the power plan to avoid sleep. Open Settings, choose Update and Security, then click Check for updates. Windows checks for cumulative and driver updates. If you see Feature Update, note its size and estimated time. You start downloads now. While downloading, close heavy apps. This reduces interruptions and keeps the system responsive during install. Once the updates download, Windows prepares installation. This can take several minutes to an hour depending on size and disk speed. You choose Restart Now or schedule the restart inside Update options. Make sure active hours reflect when you use the laptop so it won't reboot unexpectedly. If a driver update fails, open Device Manager to update the HP device driver manually or roll back to the previous driver. You then monitor progress through multiple reboots until Windows finishes configuring updates. After the final reboot, you sign back in and verify the update history and settings to confirm everything installed. Make sure your apps launch and drivers work. If something went wrong, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter first and then HP Support Assistant for OEM-specific fixes. If problems persist, use System Restore to revert to a restore point or restore your backup. Keep one key tip: don't force shutdown during configuration. Instead, wait or use recovery tools to avoid corrupting the system.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.